Today, in our quick drawing tip, we're going to look at how to draw a bird. Very simply, a generic one, not a specific species, but it can be difficult drawing animals. So, for those of you who don't particularly like drawing or find it hard, let's just have a quick look at how we can draw a basic bird. So what I want to do first of all is get a baseline. So we'll do a baseline. And off that baseline, if you think that's like 90 degrees, but we're not interested in that. What we really want is something like 45 degrees. A line like that. And from that, we're going to draw an ellipse like that. And we'll do exactly the same at the other side. And join it up there, or try to anyway. So you've got like a leaf kind of a shape, or as my friend called it, an American football, or as we call it, a rugby ball. So we can now, we're going to project that a bit farther up, and what I want to do is like cut it off a little bit like that. From there on, I want to go virtually up like that and bring that round and curve it to the point where that is. That gives you your basic head. See this point where everything all intersects? We're going to put a... You can make the eye as big as you want on this particular bird, but I'm going to make it that size. And in the centre of the eye, I want to project a line out like that. And that's going to represent the beak. Now, dependent on what type of bird it is, it's going to have a certain length of beak. So I'm going to say, I don't know, about there where I want to end it. But where I want to start it from is bottom of that eye and the top of that eye there. So I'm going to bring it round and I'm going to bring that round. And there you go, you've got your head basically. So following this same angle here, a bit farther down, you want to make a shape like a 7. There you go, to about there. That represents your rough wing, and then from here you can bring that down there a little bit, and this is going to form the tail, and then bring it across, and where that 7 ended there, you go like that. Now optionally, if the bird requires it, you can then at some point, you don't always see birds feet, but there you go. Now you can also flatten that off a bit, but these pictures are only basics. You can work with this basic shape and create whichever type of bird you want, but as long as you stick to that principle there, you will get a bird. I mean, the only other thing I might do at this stage with that is probably bring that up like that, and you're done. That's your bird done. So it's a basic bird shape done in a couple of minutes with not that many strokes. So I hope this has been informative for you and that you've learnt. I'll just show you at the end some of the birds that you can produce. So if you look, you can do all sorts of different birds and types of birds from that one technique. So have a go at it, because it makes doing drawings of birds an awful lot easier. Thank you for coming in and looking at this quick tip. Bye.